Garlic isn't just a seasoning you toss into your food, it's a superfood with life-changing health benefits. It's been praised for centuries as one of the most powerful natural remedies in the world. But here's a question for you: are you actually eating garlic the right way? Most people aren't. In fact, after years of research into natural remedies and health optimization, I've noticed something shocking. The majority of people unknowingly cancel out garlic's benefits by making a few simple mistakes. Worse yet, some of these mistakes can even harm your body. But don't worry. In this guide, I'm going to reveal everything you need to know to unlock the full potential of garlic. By the end, you'll not only know how to avoid these common pitfalls, but you'll also have a powerful, ancient garlic remedy at your fingertips, something that could transform your health in ways you never expected. Why garlic is considered a superfood. But before we dive into the mistakes, let's talk about why garlic deserves its spot as a superfood. For thousands of years, cultures around the world, from the ancient Egyptians to the Chinese, have relied on garlic for its incredible medicinal properties. What makes garlic so powerful? The answer lies in allicin, a unique compound that's released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is what gives garlic its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic benefits. It's the reason garlic is so effective at boosting your immune system to fight off colds, viruses, and bacteria. Supporting heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and regulating blood pressure. Improving blood circulation by acting as a natural blood thinner, which reduces the risk of clots. Fighting inflammation in the body, which is linked to arthritis, autoimmune diseases, and even some cancers. Slowing down aging by neutralizing free radicals with its strong antioxidant properties. But here's the thing, these benefits don't just happen automatically. Garlic is incredibly powerful when used correctly, but if you make certain mistakes, you could be throwing away its potential, or worse, putting extra strain on your body. So, let's go through the most common mistakes people make when eating garlic and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, eating too much raw garlic. Let's start with a big one. Raw garlic is often celebrated as the purest way to consume it. And while it's true that raw garlic packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, there's a catch. Garlic is strong, so strong, in fact, that eating too much raw garlic can irritate your digestive system. It can lead to stomach pain, acid reflux, or a burning sensation in your mouth and throat. Think of it like a powerful medicine. A little goes a long way, but too much can cause harm. The solution? Stick to 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic per day. This small dose is enough to give you all the benefits without overwhelming your system. And if you're someone who eats garlic every day, this amount is perfect for long-term results. Mistake number 2, not letting garlic activate before eating it. Here's something most people don't know. Garlic doesn't release its full potential the moment you chop it. When you crush or chop garlic, an enzyme called alliinase reacts with its natural compounds to produce allicin, the key ingredient behind garlic's health benefits. But this process takes time. Hey there! If you're enjoying the content and want more, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button below the video. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest uploads and be part of our awesome community. It's completely free, and your support means a lot. Thanks a bunch for considering it. If you eat or cook garlic immediately after chopping, you're missing out on its most potent properties. Think of it like charging your phone. When you first plug it in, it takes a few minutes to build up power. Garlic is the same, its charge time is about 10 minutes. So, the next time you prepare garlic, let it sit for at least 10 minutes after chopping or crushing it. This small step can make all the difference in unlocking its full potential. Mistake number 3, cooking garlic at high temperatures. Imagine this: you've perfectly crushed your garlic, waited the full 10 minutes, and then tossed it into a sizzling hot pan. Sounds fine, right? Actually, this is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Garlic's active compounds, especially allicin, are extremely sensitive to heat. When exposed to high temperatures, above 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, allicin starts to break down, reducing garlic's health benefits significantly. Does that mean you should only eat raw garlic? Not at all. The trick is to add garlic toward the end of your cooking process or use low to medium heat. For example, if you're making a stir-fry, cook your vegetables first and add the garlic just before serving. Alternatively, you can crush raw garlic and sprinkle it over cooked dishes to preserve its potency. Mistake number 4, relying on processed garlic products. We've all been there, reaching for garlic powder or a jar of pre-minced garlic because it's convenient. But here's the problem: processed garlic products lose most of their active compounds during production. Not only that, but they often contain preservatives and additives like excess sodium, which can harm your health in the long run. If you want to truly benefit from garlic, fresh is always better. If convenience is an issue, here's a tip: prep fresh garlic in advance. Crush or mince a batch, store it in an airtight container in the fridge, and use it throughout the week. Mistake number 5, ignoring your body's signals. Garlic might be a superfood, but it's not suitable for everyone in every situation. For example, if you have a sensitive stomach, gastritis, or ulcers, garlic can irritate the stomach lining and make your symptoms worse. Garlic also has natural blood-thinning properties, which is great for circulation but can be risky if you're on blood-thinning medications or preparing for surgery. If you're unsure whether garlic is safe for you, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. Mistake number 6, using old or low-quality garlic. Freshness matters when it comes to garlic. Garlic that's dried out or stored for too long loses its potency. Worse yet, it can develop a bitter taste and lose many of its health benefits. Whenever possible, choose firm, fresh garlic bulbs. And if you can, opt for organic garlic. It's free from pesticides and harmful chemicals, giving you pure health benefits. Powerful garlic remedy recipe. Now that you know how to avoid these pitfalls, let me share a powerful remedy that's been used for centuries. This simple mix of garlic, lemon, and honey is incredibly effective for boosting your immune system, fighting infections, and supporting heart health. Here's how to make it. Crush 3 cloves of fresh garlic and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Mix in 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey. Let this mixture sit for 20 minutes to allow the flavors and properties to combine. Take 1 tablespoon daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This remedy is not only easy to make but also incredibly powerful. Conclusion: as you can see, garlic is so much more than just a flavoring for your food. It's a superfood with the potential to transform your health. But like any powerful tool, it works best when used correctly. By avoiding the mistakes we've covered and incorporating remedies like the one I just shared, you can unlock garlic's full potential and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer. But before you go, there's something else you need to know. While garlic is incredible for your health, there are certain foods that many people eat every day, thinking they're harmless, when in reality, they're like poison to your body. These foods can silently harm your health over time, and most people have no idea. We've made a video about 10 common foods that are actually damaging to your health, foods you might be eating right now without realizing the risks. Trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. If your goal is to improve your health and protect your body, this video is essential. It's appearing right here on the screen, so go ahead and click it. I'll see you over there. Take care of your health, it's your greatest treasure.